Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this one guys, we are going to be talking about a concept that I recently came across that I feel like would be useful to you people, and that is vacuum engine reinforcements. So I've been doing a bit of a testing session with these reinforcements, these beams, and I found out that it can be quite useful in some instances, and that's what we're going to be going over today in this video. So obviously, first of all, it is a very simple addition, and I will be giving instruction for it at the end of the video for everyone who wants to know how to do it. It's a very simple upgrade, like I said, and it can help you in numerous ways, and let's jump straight into it. So one of the first ways that a reinforcement can help you, or a vacuum engine in general, is of course added stability, which means for better performance overall. And I have definitely found this with my engines, as they don't blow apart at all. Not that I have been, but you will find that they are incredibly more stable. So as an example, statistically, this is completely unbreakable from right here to right here. So I'm gonna try, and I can't even pull off the cylinder head. If I wanted to get at the piston to do modifications, I'd have to disable it, but even that's not going to happen on its own, so you have to use your fingers, obviously. I'm using all my force, and I cannot get it to break at all. Yeah, you can't break it. So that can have lots of major advantages for, like, for instance, if your engine seizes, and that can obviously be due to excessive friction or piece breaking, but it's safer because nothing will come flying out, because obviously nothing can break off. It just adds a lot of stability overall, and I feel it's a very necessary upgrade. So because of the fact that it is so secure, it doesn't come apart, you can refer to the entire engine as one big piece that cannot be undone without manually removing it, like that. And like I said, it's a super simple upgrade, but it's so effective. If you are running it and you feel like maybe, you should pick the engine up, the vibrations would cause right here, and where it connects in the cylinder right here, it would come off the stands, and obviously it would break, and it would probably blow up as well. So that's why you gotta have these there. If you have to, like, pick it up or whatever when it's running, it won't come apart. It is a solid piece, and I cannot stress this enough, how good of an upgrade this is. I think it's totally worth it, and I think anyone could do it, as long as they have a few very simple pieces. So, we're going to get right into how you can add this very, very simple, yet very, very effective upgrade to your engine. So guys, these are the materials that you're going to need in order to apply a reinforcement to your vacuum engine. So, as you can see, 8 black pins, 2 10 long Technic beams with the studs and stuff, and 4 15 long Technic beams. And the size of them may vary depending on how tall your engine is, but in this case, 15 long is actually the perfect size. So guys, here's the engine. First of all, you're gonna have to have a base with a Technic beam at the bottom. What you're gonna do is take your black pins and stick them on the outermost layer on each beam. So next up, as you can see, I have all the pins on all sides on the bottommost layer of the Technic beams. Next, you're going to take the 15 long Technic beam, and basically you're just going to put them on each side on the bottom, and you can fold them up when you're done. So on the other side, just like that. And this is what you should have on the bottom so far. So next step is atop the engine, up at the top. So what you want to do is you're going to grab your Technic beams, or with the studs, yeah, and you're going to put the rest of your black pins on each end like this on both. So they'll just go on the top right here. And the way that this engine is built and how tall it is, I counted, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 2/3 layers tall. And because the bottom layer is 1 stud wider than the top layer, a 15 long Technic beam will actually fit perfectly on here. So the last step is to take the Technic beam and attach it to its corresponding pin on the top, like this. And there you go. That's gonna about do it for today's video, guys. The entire reinforcement upgrade is complete, as you can see. Completely unbreakable from the bottom to the top. And yeah, this is a very simple yet very effective upgrade. And if you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, etc. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video.